Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize lock screen on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we're going to do is of course go to the lock screen. Now in order to customize it we need to press and hold on an empty space, and then we can start customizing our lock screen. Over here we can for instance tap on the clock, and after that we can resize it. We can make it bigger or smaller. We can change where the clock should be and how it should look like. In some cases you can even change the font of the clock, and we can also set the color if you want to. In addition to that, we can also add our own widget by tapping this plus widgets button, and here we have several options. Let's say I'm gonna choose battery, and I can add the battery status over here. If I want to remove it, I have this minus sign over here. We can also adjust what we can see in the lock screen in terms of notifications. So you can set it to icons only, like I have right now. We can set it to none so that nothing is visible, and we can also see details. We can also adjust the opacity of the details. Now, another thing that we can do is add contact information at the bottom of the screen, where we can add some information in terms of, let's say, how we can reach the owner of the device if the device is lost. In the corners at the bottom, we also have two apps. One is phone and one is camera, which of course can be edited. So if you tap on the current icon, then you can select something else, something that can be quickly accessed by tapping on the icon. And after you are done, we can press done in the top right corner. In addition to that, if you want to, you can also go to the settings. So let's open the settings, then scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. And over here you can for instance choose the screen lock type, where you can set up the swipe, pin, password, pattern, or something else. And you can also choose the roaming clock. So if you tap over here, then you can enable or disable the roaming clock. You can set up the region and home time zone. And we can also go for widgets, where we can choose what can be seen in the lock screen. We can also reorder by pressing this button, and then we can move it around like so. And then we can go back, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!